Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a big box full of new makeup that I'm going to be trying out. So if you would like to see how it all works and how I got this look, then keep on watching. So one of the first new things I wanted to try out today is this. It's from NYX Cosmetics. It's called A Way We Glow Strobing Cream. I'm assuming it's similar or like a dupe for the MAC Cosmetics Strobe Cream, which I do really like. I'm just gonna squirt this on my face, I guess. And this is in the shade Bright Star. From what I can see in my mirror, like right under here, under my eyes where I put it, it's just like a lot. It doesn't feel similar to the MAC Strobe Cream. I don't know if I like this. Like this, I feel like it's emphasizing my pores, like where there's a lot of product. Like in person, kind of has me looking like the Tin Man almost. Like this is a lot. So I'm wondering if I'm using too much. Okay, it doesn't like say how to apply it or anything. It just says wear this moisturizing strobing cream alone or under makeup for a fresh and dewy glow and all day hydration. I think I'm gonna try to use this like I do my strobe cream and see how that works for me. But so far, I'm not liking this. I look like the Tin Man. I might have to take it off, but I'll see. So next I'm gonna go in with foundation, and this is also from NYX. This is called Bear With Me Tinted Skin Veil. I think it's just like a tinted moisturizer. Says provides fresh faced look, even though skin tone, provides seamless coverage, breathable, weightless formula, skin looks luminous, does not streak, provides up to 8-hour wear. And this is in the shade Vanilla Nude. So it comes in a little squeezy tube. So I'm just gonna squeeze some out on my face. Now it doesn't say how to blend this out, like if you should use your hands. Oh, this feels thicker than I thought it was gonna be. As I was saying, it doesn't say how to blend it out. So I don't know if I should use my hands or a brush or a sponge. So I'm just gonna go in and blend it out with a sponge like I usually do. Okay, so far the color match isn't too bad. I figured this was gonna be like pretty lightweight, but it's pretty thick feeling on the skin. And so far I'm not really having a problem with it acting weird or like separating with that moisturizer, which is what I was afraid of. So far this seems pretty good. That is the Skin Veil blended out on my skin. It actually looks really nice. I would say it's like a medium coverage. It really evened out the skin tone. It doesn't like completely cover acne spots. Like I still have a few spots around here that I can still see, but that's not really like a big issue for me. But you know, it looks really nice. So I don't have a new concealer, so I'm gonna do that off camera. So next, before I go into the new bronzer I got, I just want to say that around here on this side of my face, and this is the only spot I've noticed, but there's like a little, around my eye, there's like a little dry patch. So I don't know if it's just my skin in that spot is dry, or if it's a combination of the different products. So I'm gonna have to like play around with those separately and see if it's just that spot or if it's the products not working well together. Next for bronzer, this is from Revolution, Makeup Revolution London. It's called the Mega Bronzer, and I got it in shade 01 Cool. So I bought this online from Ulta, and in the pictures it looked a lot lighter. So I don't know how this is gonna turn up on my face, but the pan size is really nice and big. Thing's basically the size of my head. I do wish that it had like a mirror here. That would be really nice. So I'm gonna apply this using an e.l.f. Flawless Face Brush. When I was looking at this at Ulta, I did look at the reviews and people were saying these are pigmented. So I'm just gonna tap in like once. Okay, yeah, that is super pigmented. I just accidentally put a little bit too much there. Okay, I'm gonna have to go in and blend that out after. Okay, so far I don't know how oh god. I don't know how I feel about the color. I'm gonna brush and blend this out. I'm gonna do the other side of my face. I don't think I'm liking this. Like, the formula is fine. It is pretty pigmented. But just the color. I don't know, I feel like it looks like I rubbed like clay or mud all over my face. Oh my god. This looks awful. I'm gonna take a little bit of my Maybelline loose powder, see if that helps. It just looks really red toned on my skin, like, I don't know. Don't think I like that. Same thing as the concealer, I don't have a new baking powder or just like powder in general, so I'm gonna do that off camera. Next I'm gonna do my eyes, and I got this for Christmas. It's the Morphe 39A Dare to Create palette. It's what it looks like. It has a little plastic sheet with all the color names on it. I know this has been out for a while, but I really wanted this because I liked the green shades. I think I'm going to Marshall's today. Like, I'm just gonna go shopping, so I don't want to look too crazy. So I'm gonna have to do like a tutorial with the blues and the greens another time. So I'm just gonna go in with more like the brown shades. First, I'm gonna take this shade right here, this third shade, and that is called Sunder. So let me get a brush. I don't know where to put this, it's so big. So yeah, I'm gonna dip into this shade right here called Sunder, and I'm just gonna run that through my crease. This eye, my right eye, it's not super sad. Like, I put powder on my eyes and stuff. This one, it's still a little sticky, but it's better. This one, I'm noticing the color is sticking, but it's not super blending out. I'm gonna take this shade right here, and that is called Cut Crease. I'm just gonna take that on another blending brush. On this side, this is my right eye. It's not like super set. The blending isn't that great, but the color is a lot more pigmented on this side. If you want more pigment out of these shadows, I guess go straight in on a wet concealer or eye primer. Don't necessarily set it. This palette is mainly matte shades. There are shimmers, but there's not a ton. I do wish there was more of like a lighter, like champagne-y color in here, because for what I want. I don't really want like a ton of color. I think I might just leave the eyes like this for now. Next for blush, I got the Lottie London Blush Crush, and this is in the shade Drake. This is what it looks like. It's kind of like a nude, pinky, almost a little bit peach to it. I'm just gonna take this on my brush, put it on. Okay, I would say these are nice. They are a little bit sheer, so they are buildable, which is nice. Next for highlighter, this is also from Makeup Revolution. This is their highlighter Reloaded in the shade Just My Type. I did already swatch this. It's a nice like light champagne gold. Ooh, that is kind of powdery. Okay, yeah, this is powdery. Same thing, I wish there was a mirror. Okay, I think what I'm gonna do is actually take the highlighter and put that on my lid for like my lid shade. So far it is really pretty. It's just more of a natural highlighter. So off camera I just did my eyebrows because I didn't have anything new for that. And now for mascara, this is the Lancôme Monsieur Beige mascara. So this is what the wand looks like. It's nice and big, which I do like. So far the formula seems kind of wet and it's kind of clumping in spots. A chunk of that just got into my eye. I do have some new eyelashes, but I think I'm going to hold off on using those just because I don't really feel like putting them on, and this look doesn't necessarily need them. So I'm just going to try to build up the mascara. And I will say this is like super wet so far. The top part of the tube is like covered in excess product. Usually I don't like super wet mascaras. I prefer them when they're a little bit drier. So either like if the formula is drier or if I've been using it for like a little bit and it dries out. But I do like the brush. Okay, for my lips, this isn't new. This is my favorite lip liner. It's Nude Beige from NYX. So I'm just gonna line my lips with this. And then to fill my lips in, this is new. It's from Colourpop. It's one of their Ultra Satin lips. It's in the shade Magic Wand. What it looks like. I'm just gonna fill my lips in with this. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a little rundown on all my thoughts about the products. So first, starting off with the Away We Glow Strobe Cream from NYX. I don't really like this. I don't know if I'll use it again. I feel like it just made me look like a tin man. Um, I didn't feel much moisturization from it, and it kind of emphasized my pores. And I don't really know what was going on, but I don't think this was working with the foundation and the other products really well. So I don't think I would use this again. So next is the foundation, the Tinted Skin Veil from NYX. I do like this. The color match isn't too horrible. The consistency was a little bit thicker than I was expecting, but it covers really well. And I'll be interested to see if it lasts for 8 hours like it claims right there. But the same thing with the moisturizer. I need to use this on its own to see how it works. So next was the bronzer. I like it. It's just the color isn't the best for me. It's really dark. I do think I'll use it again, but it's not my favorite. Okay, next we have the blush from Lottie London, the Blush Crush. I do really like this. The color's super pretty. Packaging is cute. It's nice and buildable, so you don't get like a ton of blush all at once, and it does blend out really nicely. Next, the highlighter. I love this. Super, super pretty. I was able to build it up to a spot where I really like it, and even as an eyeshadow, it works nice. It is a little powdery. I forgot about this, the eyeshadow palette. I really didn't use too many shades from it. I only used 2. I do, from what I used, I do like it. I just need to prime my eyes a little bit differently. But, I do want to play around with this more, use more of those colorful shades. So you will see me using this again. Next, we have the mascara, the Lancôme Monsieur Beige. I do like this. Let me just look at my lashes. I haven't looked at it since it's dried. It's holding my curl really nicely. My lashes do look a little thick and clumpy, but I do like that look. Right now it is a little bit wet, so I'm gonna have to keep using it to see how it gets when it's like a little bit more dry, but for now I do like this. Okay, and last, yeah, I think this is the last product, is the Colourpop Ultra Satin Lip. I do like this. The formula is really nice and comfortable. It did dry down a little bit, so it doesn't feel like super dry on my lips. The formula is really nice. Overall, I would say I really do like a lot of the products I picked up. I'm glad I tried them out. I hope you guys liked this video. If you want to see stuff similar to this, just let me know. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. And also make sure you're subscribed and follow me on all my social medias. And I will see you all next time.